Good morning to all. This is TY BSc Physics semester third paper, Atomic and Molecular Physics. The paper number is 334. In this paper, we have to discuss first chapter, Atomic Structure. In this chapter, first article is Rutherford Model of an Atom. At the suggestion of Ernest Rutherford and two scientists, Hans Geiger and Ernest Marsden, used as proof for the fast alpha particles emitted by certain radioactive element. In alpha particles are helium atoms that have lost two electrons, each having them with a charge of plus 2 electron. The diagram shows that figure 1 shows that Rutherford scattering experiment. In this experiment, number 1, Rutherford scattering experiment as shown in figure 1. In this figure, the radioactive source is placed in lead sealed. It emits alpha particles. Then second one is the alpha particles are possessed through narrow pinhole. The beam was directed at a thin gold foil. The golden foil is used for the purpose of the atomic number of golden foil is 79. That's why the electrons are more in this foil. The next one is third. The screen was made up of zinc sulfide. Screen gives off a visible flash of light when struck by alpha particles was set on the other side of the foil with microscope detector to observe flashes. These flashes means your atoms. The fourth one is it was expected that the alpha particles would go right through foil without any deviation. Then fifth one is Geiger and Marsden observed that most of the alpha particles were not deviated by much, but a few were scattered through very large angle theta. Some of them were even scattered in backward direction, that is reflection. The next one is alpha particles are heavy, relatively heavy, approximately 8,000 times mass of electron and have a speed of 2 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second. So it was clear that powerful forces are there which cause such remarkable deflection. This is the explanation of diagram. Then next, to explain the result, Rutherford put forth his model. According to this model, an atom is composed of tiny nucleus in which its positive charge and nearly all its mass are concentrated when electron some distance away as shown in figure 2. The figure 2 is Rutherford model of an atom. According to Rutherford's model of an atom, when an alpha particle happens to come near a nucleus, the intense electric field there scatters it through large angles. Being electrons are light in weight, they do not appreciably affect the alpha particles. Comparing the relative scattering of alpha particles by different foil provides information about charges of an atom are involved. The nuclear charges are to be multiple of plus E and the number Z. Z is the atomic number of the given element. So that the atomic number is the same as number of protons in nucleus of its atom. The formula of Rutherford obtained for alpha particles scattered by a thin foil on the basis of nuclear model is N theta is equal to Ni, capital Ni into small n into small t into z square into e to the power 4 divided by 8 pi epsilon naught square r square kinetic energy square into sine to the power 4 into theta by 2, where n theta is the number of alpha particles per unit area that each of the screen at scattering angle theta. Ni is the total number of alpha particles that reach the screen of electrons. Small n is the number of atoms per unit volume in the foil. Z is the atomic number of the foil. Small r is the distance of the screen from the foil. Ke is the kinetic energy of the alpha particles and small t is the thickness of the foil. After that, the prediction gives Geiger and Marsden as n theta is directly proportional to 1 upon sine to the power 4 into theta by 2. The variation of n theta is produced due to this formula. Only 0.4% of incident alpha particles are scattered by more than 1 degree. Thank you.